that you A, use your fingers to detangle, B, use a detangling moisturizer to loosen your curl. And then 3, you want to make sure that you are using the proper tool. So if you're going to use a tool, maybe to work out a knot that's in your hair, you're going to use appropriate brush. Okay, so make sure that you have the right tools so you will not tear your hair out and you can grow long, beautiful, natural hair. In our next video, we're going to continue to explore ways in which you can grow popping, natural curls.